Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Hey girl, if you're an old friend, and welcome if you ain't never been. If you're new, please consider going ahead and hitting that subscribe button and becoming a friend. So I decided I wanted to do a little meal prep. So my package from Protein World came just in time. So come along with me as I prepare these meals. If you would like to purchase some of these items as well, my discount code will be across the screen as well as down in the description box. So be sure to use it to get 40% off your order. So as I'm going through my order and seeing what I have, I see that I have some oatmeal. So we're going to go ahead and fix up this oatmeal, and I'm going to do overnight oats. I'm going to try that out. So I'm just getting my supplies. So here is everything laid out and ready to go. And I've never actually tried overnight oats before. Let me know down below if you have and some good recipes to try out. So I'm just going to put about 3 scoops into each bowl. Then I'm going to add some flaxseed meal, which I ended up realizing that I didn't really need because the oatmeal actually comes with flax seeds and chia seeds already in it. Then I have brown sugar for my sweetener. Give that a stir and get everything all mixed in before I go ahead and add my milk. You can use whatever milk of choice you would like. I like almond milk. Then I decided to add some frozen fruit for another layer of added flavor. Today I'm going to be adding some strawberries and bananas. Then I top it off with some cinnamon and everything is good to go. I package it up and put it away in the fridge and ready for the next morning. Okay, so next in the box I have this pasta, and so we're going to see what we can cook up to go with this. Okay, so here we are. We have all our items laid out. So I got, of course, the pasta, and I got some broccoli, some shrimp, some chicken breast, some Italian dressing, Caesar dressing, and some sweet potatoes. And first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken in the sink like your mama used to tell you. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and wash off my sweet potatoes and go ahead and get those in the oven so they can be cooking while everything else is cooking. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my water boiling for this pasta. And as you can see, this is not just any pasta, it is a protein pasta, and it is packed with 30 grams of protein. Everything is cooking. I got my chicken nicely seasoned and sizzling. I got my shrimp over here boiling in a nice seasoned water. And then here is the containers I'm going to be putting everything in. Here's the final look of the pasta. So I did one with shrimp and Italian dressing. I did one with the chicken with Caesar dressing and Parmesan cheese on top. And I have my steamed broccoli and my baked sweet potatoes as my sides. So the next morning comes and I go to get my overnight oats for my breakfast. And y'all, let me just say, overnight oats are not for me. I cannot do the cold oatmeal thing. So I just had to go ahead and throw it in the microwave. But it was pretty convenient having it already prepared and just throwing it in the microwave and go. After breakfast, I try to fast for about 8 hours, but if I really need something, I will grab a piece of fruit, and halfway in between the 8 hours, I will go ahead and fix this tea. So this is the Slender Day tea, and I just boil up some water and pour it over, and I'm going to add a little sugar substitute for a sweetener. At dinner time, of course, I'm going to have one of my pastas with my sweet potatoes and broccoli, and I'm going to have one of these Olippops as my drink of choice. And essentially, as my dessert, I'm just going to have me a few pieces of fruit. And yes, this is frozen fruit. If you have not tried it, try it out. The best is frozen blueberries, but I don't have any, so I'll settle for this. The only thing it's missing is a drizzle of honey. And then I'm going to wash that down with one of these kombuchas. So that completes my meal prep for this week. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a friend, girl, if you ain't already. And be sure to come back for more. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.